Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This channel is exclusively for learning chemistry. So if you like my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. And let us start with our today's topic. So today's topic is cross-aldol condensation. So in the previous lecture, we studied about the aldol condensation reaction in which we use two of the same aldehyde molecules or same ketone molecules. Okay, and in which there will be alpha hydrogen atoms. But here, as the name suggests, it is cross-aldol condensation. So we will be using two different aldehydes or two different ketones. And if both of them have alpha hydrogen atom, then there will be four products. Also, if there is aldehyde reacting with a ketone, then also it is known as cross-aldol condensation reaction. So first of all, I will be taking an example of two different aldehydes reacting together. So example I am taking of ethanol CH3CHO reacting with propanol CH3CH2CHO. So these are two different aldehydes and we have to add base that is NaOH, sodium hydroxide, and then heat it. Then what will be the four products? And that will be cross-aldol products. So let us start. So first we will see that we will take two molecules of ethanol. So first product will be made from two molecules of ethanol. So for example, I am writing here that what will happen that when we take two molecules of ethanol, so this is one molecule and we are adding another molecule of ethanol to it. Then what will happen that this is a trick to find out the product, that the oxygen atom and two of the alpha hydrogen atom will be removed as water molecule and you will get a carbon-carbon double bond here. So here you will get carbon-carbon double bond. So what will be the first product? It will be CH3, CH, and oxygen is removed. There will be carbon-carbon double bond here. So carbon-carbon double bond, and two of the hydrogen atoms are removed. So one hydrogen atom is left here and CHO. So this is our first product. It is made from two molecules of ethanol, right? So the name of the product will be, so there are four carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, and at the first carbon there is aldehyde and at the second carbon there is double bond. So it will be but-2-enol. So this is our first product. Second product will be taking two molecules of propanol. So I am again showing it here. We are taking two molecules of propanol. So CH3CH2CHO and again CH3CH2CHO. So again one oxygen atom is removed and two alpha hydrogen atoms. So this is alpha hydrogen atom. So two of the alpha hydrogen atoms are removed as water molecule and you will have carbon-carbon double bond between them. So it will be what? CH3, CH2, CH and carbon-carbon double bond, and two alpha hydrogens are removed, so there will be no alpha hydrogen atom left on this carbon, and then CH3 here and then CHO. So this is the product formed from the two of the propanol molecules. Okay, so its name will be, how many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And at the second carbon there is methyl group and also double bond, and at the first carbon there is aldehyde. So it will be 2-methyl pent 2-enol. So these two products are called as self-aldol products because they are made from the two of the same aldehydes. That is, this product is formed from 2 molecules of ethanol, and this is formed from 2 molecules of propanol. Now, next two products, what will be the next two products? So next two products will be formed from one ethanol and one propanol molecule. So if we take first ethanol and then propanol, okay, so here one oxygen is removed and two hydrogen, alpha hydrogen. So these are alpha hydrogen atoms. So these are removed as H2O, and there will be carbon-carbon double bond formation, right? Then what will be the product? CH3, CH, then carbon-carbon double bond. Then here no alpha hydrogen is left, so carbon atom, and it is attached to CH3 and CHO. So this is the product formed from ethanol and propanol, when ethanol is written first and propanol is written after that. So what will be the IUPAC name for this? It will be, there are 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, and at the second carbon there is carbon-carbon double bond and also methyl substituent, and at the first carbon there is aldehyde group. So its name will be, where should I write? Okay, यहाँ पे. So it will be 2-methyl and but 2-enol, right? So this is 2-methyl but 2-enol. So this is known as cross-aldol product because it is made from ethanol and propanol. Now the last product, how it will be formed? So the last product, if propanol is written first and ethanol is written next, then oxygen atom will be removed from this propanol and 2 of the alpha hydrogen atoms from ethanol. Okay, then H2O is removed, and what will you get? And there will be carbon-carbon double bond. So what will you get? You will get CH3, CH2, CH, carbon-carbon double bond, and there will be 1 hydrogen left because 2 hydrogens are removed, so 1 hydrogen left, and CHO. And what will be the name of this fourth product? Because there are 5 carbon atoms, at the second carbon atom there is double bond and at the first carbon there is aldehyde. So it will be pent 2-enol. So this is our also cross-aldol product because it is also made from propanol and ethanol. So these are the 4 products, these two and these two. So these are self-aldol products and these two are cross-aldol products. So this was the cross-aldol condensation reaction between ethanol and propanol, that is 2 different aldehydes. Now we will see how the aldehyde react with ketone in cross-aldol condensation reaction. So now we will see how aldehyde and ketone will react under this cross-aldol condensation. So we are taking what? Benzaldehyde and acetophenone, and we are adding base and high temperature. We are heating at high temperature 293 Kelvin. So then what will be the product? So first we have to see the alpha hydrogen atoms. So here there is no alpha hydrogen atom, and here there are 3 alpha hydrogen atom on this carbon, but here on this side there is no alpha hydrogen atom. So one oxygen atom is removed from this benzaldehyde, and 2 of the alpha hydrogen atoms are removed from this acetophenone. So, and then carbon-carbon double bond will be formed. So the product will be CH is written, then carbon-carbon double bond is formed. Then here 2 hydrogen atoms are removed, so CH is left, then C double bond O, and then this ring. So H2O is removed from here and this product is formed. So it is known as benzyl acetophenone, or the IUPAC name will be, because there are 3 carbon atoms, 1, 2 and 3, and at the second carbon there is a double bond, and at the first carbon there is a ketone, and phenyl group is at first and third position. So IUPAC name will be 1,3-diphenyl pent 2-ene 1-one. Okay, so this is the IUPAC name of the product. So in this way we form the cross aldol products. In the aldol condensation also you can use this trick that you have to remove oxygen atom and 2 alpha hydrogen atoms and form your product. Okay, so this was all about it. I hope you have understood this topic. Now we will meet in next lecture. Thank you.